Greetings everyone. In today's video, we will quickly learn how you can open HEIC images on your Windows computer for free. We will also convert these images to JPG. So here are the HEIC images, but we cannot open it as it requires some extensions. And now we have installed the free extension and the images are working all good. Let's get started.
For more contents like this, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon.
Here we have some HEIC format images. These images are not showing thumbnails, and when we try to open them, it asks to install the extension. If you click on download and install, the Microsoft Store opens. And the extension costs about $1. Anyway, in our earlier video, we tried the extension from the device manufacturer, which is now not available. However, it will still work if you have already installed it. Anyway, alternatively, visit this website, which is from CopyTrans. I will provide the link. Scroll down and you will see CopyTrans HEIC for Windows, and this is free. Download it. It's about 7.5 MB. It's done. Show in folder. Let me install this software. Double click on it. Next, agree on the terms. And I'm using it for home use. Next, automatically check for updates and install. By the way, it does have a business license. Anyway, I will close this all. So you can see these images now automatically display thumbnails. You might see this warning, but you can ignore it. And all images work all good. Additionally, if you right click on the HEIC image, you can also convert it to JPG. So now here is the JPG image. And here is the original HEIC image. So this is how you can open HEIC images and convert them to JPG for free. Thank you very much.